Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at getting your Substance Painter textures into Unreal Engine. So after you have textured your 3D model, you're going to want to go to File, Export Textures. Then you're going to want to select the output directory where you want to save the files. Now for the output template, you're either going to want to pick Unreal Engine 4 Packed or Unreal Engine 4 Subsurface Scattering. So this will be if you have any lighting effects on, for example, skin. In this case, I'm just going to go for Packed. As you can see, there's no real lighting effects on my cookie. So after you've done that, hit Export. I'm going to skip this step as I've already exported these files. And then after you've done that, I'll see you in Unreal Engine. So once you have imported your model and your textures, which you can do very easily by pressing import and then selecting the files. Firstly, I'm going to organize my files into the correct folders as a good practice. So my mesh is going to be called sm_cookie. Then I'm going to create a cookie folder, of which I'm going to move all these files to. Then after that, I'm going to create a new folder for my textures and drag these in here. And then I'm going to create a material m_cookie. Then after I've created all of those, I'm going to go to the occlusion texture and I'm going to uncheck sRGB and then go to hit save. Then after this, I'm going to go to my cookie material and put my textures in. So let's go to my textures. Let's drag and drop these in. And then the base color, I'm going to hook up to the base color. Let's organize these a bit. And then the normal map is going to go straight to the normal. And now for the occlusion, metallic and roughness, we're going to plug R into ambient occlusion, green into the roughness, and B into the metallic channel. Now after we've done that, we're going to hit save. We're going to go back to the model, the static mesh, and we're going to search m_cookie or your texture and then select it. And as you can see here, our texture is now on our model. So we'll hit save. And after that, you can do whatever you'd like with it. I'm just going to drag this into my level. And that is it, guys. That's how you get your textures from Substance Painter into Unreal Engine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.